We are Mecky and Fernie. We are cruising the Bahamas in 2023 on our 34-foot PDQ Power Cat named Soulstice. Join us on our adventures at Time for Act 2. See you soon. So we found anchorage at Little Harbor here in the Berry Isles. It looks like another one of those blustery days. So not sure what kind of weather we're gonna see, but we might get some rain, and it's awfully windy. Okay, so we're in a bit of a squall here, and although we think we're anchored okay, it looks pretty nasty out here. Look at that, white caps. Look at this place, yikes. Look, I'm going in. I'm getting wet, bye. I hope it was 40. And what are we doing while it's raining outside? We're drinking red wine. And we're gonna make some churrasco. Yep, that's what we're doing. And it is still windy out here. At least a lot more windier than we would like it to be. Purposes of going to bed. So we are anchored here. We have reservations at Flo's at 1 o'clock, so we are in position. We're gonna go. There's Flo's right there. We're gonna go explore a little bit, but we are in position, and the solars are pumping. And we are exploring. There's a captain. We're in a little beach cay area here. Of course, we are the only ones here. This is the Bahamas. So you can find yourself a beach to explore all by yourself, no problem at all. Very, very nice. This is what happens to the shells after the Bahamians make conch salad and conch fritters. You've got a whole burial ground of the conch shells. Yep, that's a lot of shells. So Maria, where are we? We are in the Berry Islands, and we are real close to Flo's. Flo's place, not Flo's Cafe, not Flo's restaurant, but Flo's place.
Because there's a backstory to that.
And please use Chester if you're gonna call him. Don't say Flo's Cafe. Captain Fernie, what are you doing?
We're doing boat work. That's the life of a boat owner. Boat work.
Say hi to your audience. Louis, you can go down a little bit more. Floating? Oh my God. Here we go. Louis working. Maria. How the anodes doing?
Hey,
How the anodes doing?
actually, they weren't doing too bad.
Okay.
Really weren't doing that bad. But now we're here, we're changing.
That shirt, I'm gonna need to definitely hit it hard with some yellow joy there. Okay, it's black. The grease.
No, eso es del bottom paint.
Oh, the bottom thing. Oh. Captain, what am I looking at exactly?
You're looking at all the anodes that we recently replaced on the rudders.
Those are the rudders, the big
And these
round
are on the propeller shafts, in front of the propellers on the shaft.
ones. So the rudder ones look equally worn, but the ones on the propeller.
Yeah, they're warm, but they're still probably could hold on a little longer. This one
Yeah,
it
that
could
one.
not hold on anymore. In fact, it broke apart as I started to take it apart
Why was that one?
because
more
that's the
worn?
one that corroded the most, and I don't know why, but that's definitely corroded a significant more amount than the other one.
Okay. And then what's that other one right there?
Well, this is the one I tried to replace this one with, but I over-timed it and it broke.
Ah,
So don't over-time your anodes.
got it.
So I had to get another one that I had spare, and I was able to replace it anyways.
Oh my goodness! Look at the mound of shells. Conch. Look at them. The mound. Look at this. Okay, I'm assuming that they have good comforters here. Up close. Look at these guys. And we've got a rooster somewhere in here. Okay, now we've got to walk down the hill to get to the dinghy, to get to the boat. That's back there. The shirt that was all full of black stuff on it?
Yeah.
No way!
Yeah.
Oye, it looks like you washed it.
We're gonna have to do a Dawn commercial.
Oye, I can't believe that shirt is that white now. And Gauldings little beach cay has a fascinating little cave here right off of the beach, which is right there. And you can see Soulstice and their crew out in the water. Lovely, Gauldings Cay. So we are on the hunt for a blue hole. Let's see if we can get to it. This looks pretty jungle-like, so oh great, and we have the right type of noise too. So here we go. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Fernie.
Oye,
we lost you.
Apúrense porque esto, los mosquitos los van a matar aquí.
Okay, you're on film. Yeah, okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. This is seriously, we're in a freaking jungle. Okay. Okay. This is definitely an interesting trail. This is the most jungle-like trail I've been on in our 6 weeks. Yeah, well, ever. And in our 6 weeks here. And we lost Fernie. Okay, I'm going to stop filming so I can pay attention. Yeah. Bye-bye, Blue Hole. Bye-bye. We did not jump in. Nah, we definitely did not jump in. But bye-bye, Blue Hole. It was worth a little trek to see it. Bye-bye. We got a manatee visiting us today, and he was looking for some shade. I think he's looking for some TLC. I got nothing, Bopple. I got nothing. But he might end up going to the little water. Hi guys. Hi. He's literally, I think he's looking for some companionship. Little guy, big guy. Hey. Look at him. Oh. Cute guy.
Definitely silver.
I think it's a barracuda.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
It
Barracuda.
looks like a barracuda to
Yeah.
me. I'm not a fish
Here
expert,
we go again.
but I think it's a barracuda.
Snow so that we know when we hit bottom.
What do we got? What do we got? What is it? Grouper. It is not. It's a grouper. It's probably a grouper. Oh, a bago. Oh, it is a grouper. And it's a big one too. tropical blow here. It's a good thing we are tied up in a marina. Tied up tight in a marina. I don't know. Is this better or worse? I think it looks worse. Yeah, I think it definitely looks worse. Bye-bye Great Harbour Cay for the second time. We are off. We got a good weather window, so we are heading across the Bahama banks. So it's boom or bust. So bye-bye Great Harbour Cay.